to change username in Candy Crush Saga, open Candy Crush Saga and jump into the game. Let's give you a new username. You can tap my account or you can tap play. Let's click play. Tap your profile picture in the center. You will see your profile icon or avatar right in the middle of screen. Go ahead and tap it. There you will see your name or pencil icon. Tap it. A text box will open. Now you can type in your new username. Pick something fun and easy to remember. Save your change. When you are happy with your new username, tap save. Your profile will update instantly and that new name will show up for all your Candy Crush friends to see. If you are logged in with Facebook, your game username will match your Facebook profile name. To change that one, you need to update your Facebook name instead. And that's it. You just change your username like a Candy Crush Pro. Drop your question in the comment. Hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more quick game tips. See you in the next one.